just fix my hair, because that's what needs fixing in this video. My hair. I guess this is the hair we're doing, guys. Oh, shit. My YouTube video just started playing. It scared the shit out of me. Hi, I'm Erica. I'm Odd. Welcome back to my channel. I don't even know if I'm gonna post this video, so if you're seeing this, please know that this took a lot of like mental strength for me to post. Because this is probably one of the most embarrassing parts of my personality that I don't like to talk about. Yeah, this video is gonna be really random. You're gonna see a lot of random stuff. You're probably gonna hear a couple stories. And hopefully by the end of this, I just take care of this disaster. True disaster that is my closet. I haven't cleaned this out since I was 9 and I moved into this house. And I've also lived in like apartments and shit. This stuff just stayed here aside from the clothes. So it's time. I'm ready. It's time. It's to a point where now it's affecting my mental health every time I look at it, and that's not good. So we are gonna handle this now. So as you can see, I've given up hope. I've stopped organizing, and that's when you know that you have a problem. When you just throw in, close the doors, and act like it isn't there, that's when you know there's an issue. So we're gonna go ahead, I don't even know where to start, but so I think where I'm gonna start is what I call my sentimental shelf. So my sentimental shelf, I call it that because it's a shelf that I've dedicated to things that I don't know if I'll ever throw out. So I'm gonna take things down off of that shelf and put them on my bed because I know that they aren't going anywhere. So I'm just gonna do that now. Right, so like this, I think it's a cigar box, but like this, so this just has some sentimental items from my Uncle Jay, who passed away. I didn't take a lot when he passed, but I did take enough to where I do want to keep it. Yeah, so it's just like special stuff like that. I have a few, I can already see them. These are all on my sentimental shelf. Ex-boyfriend, caffeine and kilos. He didn't know what this hat meant, so he gave it to me because he didn't understand what kilos mean. I never wore it. I just kind of kept it because it was one of like the first things he gave to me. I didn't even know it was still up there. We'll donate it. And then I have stuff that I forgot I had. Like these are a couple of ex-boyfriend shirts from like, who was this? There's a logo on it. That relationship ended in 2017 and it's currently 2020. And I got this years before. These shirts are 6 years old. Wow, that shelf's clear. Okay, that shelf's clear. So the sentimental shelf has been taken care of. So I think now I'm gonna move on to this shoe organizer that is breaking. Hang on, clearly, this shoe organizer is done. This hole's not supposed to be here. It's supposed to be connected. That's how heavy it is and it hasn't quit on me. That shoe organizer is stronger than most of my relationships I've been. I got this from the Renaissance Fair. I haven't been to the Renaissance Fair since I was like 14. Okay, but then we have something like this. I honestly couldn't tell you where this came from. No. I found Canadian money in my closet. I have never been to Canada. Nowhere near it. Not even close. So maybe my closet demon is from Canada? I don't know. I by no means should ever have to buy a bra again. I found like 20 bras in the back of my closet. Probably half of them probably don't even fit. I had a panic attack, so now I'm sitting on the floor eating rice, cleaning out the bottom of my closet. As you can see, I cleaned out the shoe shelf so I can put different things in there, not shoes, because I have a whole different rack in another room for those. But I want to get started on the bottom of the closet because I feel like the bottom of the closet is what gives me the most anxiety. Alright, what is this? It has Christmas wrapping on it. It's a signed Ronnie Radke poster that an ex-boyfriend gave me. I never put it up, because I was convinced I was gonna ruin it, so it just stays in here. And honestly, ooh, that has his address on it. I should not. No, I can't do that. Tripod. There's tripods everywhere. Oh my god, I thought I lost these. Where's the other one? It's a perfectly good toothbrush. Here's my knee brace. Here's my back brace. Throw it away. This is one of the best thrifting finds I've ever had. One glove, just one. Other one's nowhere in sight. I've never had curtains, so we have a golf club. Oh, oh god, okay. We have a golf club. I used to golf, I don't now. We have a broom from the Renaissance Fair. That's it. An umbrella from when I was a kid and obsessed with Mulan. Donate. I never played tennis. Donate. I got that asthma. I'll go home, you know? I've never seen a single episode of Lamb Chop. So, have you guys ever seen a closet give birth? Because you're about to. I was a cheerleader. My senior year, I was captain, so I decided that we should get pink jerseys. So I played softball. I wasn't good. And it's all my bathing suits. Less is more. That's why it's easy to have so many bathing suits, because they're barely bathing suits. So I have Stormtrooper and Darth Vader slippers. These are my R2-D2 ones, but the other one isn't in here, so can't keep it. So now we've reached this point in my closet. The floor is like clean and organized to the point where I can put the stuff back that I need to put back. This isn't my everyday purse, but this is my favorite purse. It was my graduation present from my dad. Found this bad boy in the back of my closet. I have a basket back here. What's a oh my god, it's so heavy. I don't. No! So this is my tiara from my Sweet 16. That cheer life, son. Where did I get? Why do I have a baby onesie? What the f? Why do I have a baby? I don't have a baby. I don't know what this is. This is an old tank top from an ex. I don't hesitate to donate that one because that was a very, very bad ending to that relationship. So, bye. I think I want to light this because it smells really good. Update, I burnt my hand. It's fine, I'm fine. I think we've hit the point where it's time to organize what I'm keeping and what I'm donating. And you're gonna see the floor in a second and be appalled because I just don't know how I feel. And this is the floor. Hear me out. Right now I know it looks really messy and disorganized, and that's because it is, but I do see the system here. Over here is kind of trash, in the middle is what I have to restore, and then way over to the left, that big pile is my donation pile. Basically now I just have to put everything away, and that's what I'm gonna do. Okay. Okay, so I just got back from donating all of that stuff actually. And before I end this video, I want to show you why I didn't clean the top shelf. That right there is the main reason I didn't clean my top shelf. Because I've had that bear probably since I was 2 or 3. It's from one of my grandparents. And I haven't changed the batteries in that bear since I was 2 or 3. The batteries are corroded. It should not work. And at like 2 or 3 a.m., it goes off like multiple times. And there's like a squeeze button you have to press. It's not even like you turn it on and it does it randomly. So I don't touch that bear because something's not right. But aside from my haunted bear, this is the final product of my closet. Overall, I'm pretty proud of myself that I got all this done today and everything's cleaned up in the room and organized and thrown away and donated. So I'm so happy. I only had like a few anxiety attacks, but overall I'm very glad that I did it. It's definitely not something that's consuming my mind anymore whenever I pass it. I feel much freer. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Please like and subscribe. Follow all my social medias at Erica is Odd, same way it's spelled here, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye guys.